Catherine Bernardo! Hail to the Queen! Hail to the Queen!
Grabe yung outfit ni Kat.
Woo! Grabe!
Summer na talaga, ha? Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you our Power Judges ng Season 7 ng PGT!
Ayan na nga, palakpakan natin ang ating mga judges! Our stories. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Mr. G.
Yay!
Sir FMG.
Hi, welcome. And salamat sa pagdalo.
Thank you, Sir FMG. Donnie.
Hello po sa ating mga press members. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito. Ang ganda naman ng setup natin. Sa broad team natin ng PGT, maraming salamat. And of course, Kuya Robs and Ate Mels, we love you. Thank you.
We love you guys! Actually, kung saan po tayo nagte-taping talaga ng PJT, ito po talaga yung area na po natin. No? So, again, maraming salamat to the front for giving us this setup. Thank you, Donnie, and Asia Superstar. Yeah.
Good afternoon, Robbie, Ate Mela, and sa mga minamahal nating press. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your time. And sa lahat na nanonood online, good afternoon, Pilipinas!
Yan! How about you guys? Mr. G?
Ay!
Oh!
Nagigil na gigil! Pag-arrest ng buzzer ang ating mga judges.
Parang nagmamadali si FMG. May laptop pa yata. Boss, okay na po ba kayo? Okay na talaga.
Okay, pero huwag mag-alala mga ibang press natin kasama dito dahil kayo ang aming unofficial fifth judge. Kaya pumalakpak kayo, humiyaw kayo, mag-cheer kayo sa gusto ninyong acts. Pero kung ayaw nyo, sabay-sabay kayong magsabi ng buzz! Buzz! Sige nga, practice! Buzz!
Buzz! Buzz! Louder! Yan! Yan yung ayaw niyo yung axe na mama.
Okay, alam mo, the whole time na nanonood kami sa inyo, parang nakangiti lang kami. Alam namin na magkaibigan kayo at very comfortable kayo sa isa't isa. Matagal na ba kayo magkakilala?
Simula po senior high
Yeah.
school.
Oh,
Dahil po kasi
okay.
kami sa ELJ po.
Senior high school.
Yes
Okay.
po. And doon po kami nagkakilala. Bale, parang nagkasama po kami sa isang project that time.
Yung first film acting po namin sa school, sa isang film art po sa ELJ. And then, actually po, funny story, hindi ko siya pinapansin dati. Kasi nai-intimidate po talaga ako sa vibe niya.
Okay.
Ilang years from na, parang minsan po pupunta ako sa bahay nila. Tapos nagiginis po kami. Tapos
Ano po, bale, dati pala na-intimidate siya sa akin. Tapos ngayon, doon siya sa bahay ko tumatambay. Ang kapal, di ba?
And then talaga nagsisimula ang mga unexpected friendship, di ba? Ako rin, yung most of my friends, feeling ko, yun yung mga tao na akala ko hindi kami magkiklik. Yung parang feeling ko, I thought you were ganyan, nakala ko sobrada ka. Pero yun pa yung mga na-keep mo through the years. So, I admire your friendship. Alam namin na nag-enjoy lang kayo. And gusto ko na ginamit niyo yung yung mga pelikula ko at saka yung mga techniques ni Miss Eugene. Kasi as in, tumatak yan sa atin lahat. Dun sa Kipidores, di ba Miss Eugene? Septic Tank. Septic Tank! Septic Tank! Yeah, so naging very relatable siya, especially sa aming mga judges. So good job. So ngayon, gusto nyo ihuli natin si Miss Eugene? Okay. Ihuli natin. Pakinggan muna natin ang masasabi ni Judge Donnie. Donnie?
Hindi ako naaaliw ako kasi. Sabi nila, kanina lang nila pinactice yun. Impressive ha? 2 hours ago. Tapos ganyan ang parang nagawa niyung presentation. Kaya grabe yung potential yung dalawa. Nakaka-refresh yung duo nyo. Kaya gusto ko pong makita kung anong mangyari pag may talagang time kayo mag-prepare. Kaya congratulations guys.
Yes! Nice. And then now, pakinggan natin si parang napaisip si FMG sa performance nyo. FMG, anong masasabi mo?
I appreciate yung tapang nyo.
Yung tapang, okay.
You only practiced yesterday and you want to present today. Medyo kulang-kulang ng pero for the effort,
And then na, ang critic natin, Miss Uge. How was their performance?
Ciao and Lay, una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa ipinakita ninyo at nakikita namin talaga kung gaano nyo kamahal ang pelikulang Pilipino, ang talentong Pilipino, ang laki ng effect sa inyo. At lahat naman ang pinakita nyo, tama yun. Lahat ng pinakita nyo, lahat yun, na-impress kami. Pero pinaka na-impress ako, may bonus pang split. Grabe, aminin mo, nasaktan ka.
Sakto lang po.
So ipagpatuloy nyo lang ang suporta sa pelikulang Pilipino, nasa inyong mga kabataan, nakasalalay kung gaano pa at saan pa kalayo mararating ang mga artistang Pilipino, ang filmmakers sa Pilipino. Huwag kayong bibitaw, okay? Thank you.
Okay, judges, now it's time to vote. Okay. Let's start with you, Miss Eugene.
Well, for me, it's very obvious. It's a very sweet yes!
Yes! You got one yes. And dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent, kailangan mo makakuha ng 3 yeses para makaproceed ka sa next round. So you need 2 more. Okay, sino gusto niyo muna? Si Donnie or si FMG?
Ako na lang po.
Ikaw na lang mo, Okay, Donnie, what's your vote?
Hindi, syempre, para sa akin, gusto ko yung duo nyo. And I want to see more of you. Kaya it's also a yes for me.
You know, 2 yeses! Ito na, sabi ni FMG. Kanina, parang konting kulang sa practice, pero na-appreciate naman daw na yung effort nyo. Tingnan natin anong decision niya. FMG, what's your vote?
So you continue pursuing whatever you want to do. So it's a big yes.
Ang 3 yeses!
Yeah!
So para mas lalo pa kayong sumaya dahil sinusuportahan nyo ang pelikulang Pilipino, I'm gonna be using my Okay, that's a very beautiful question. Sige, I'll start muna with the first one. In my personal criteria, just for me, myself, I think, of course, unang-una is the uniqueness. Kasi this is season 7, so ang dami nang nagdaan sa Pilipinas Got Talent, especially FMG has been here since season 1. And siya yung nagsasabi sa amin na parang I've seen this, ganyan. And kami naman bago lang dito. So, when I say uniqueness, it can be singing, pero parang your own flavor. It can be dancing as a group or dancing individually, pero ano yung talent na kahit na panoorin ko siya ngayon and 5 years from now, ito yung klaseng performance na hindi ko makakalimutan at saka yung klaseng performance na kaya ko siyang panoorin 5 years from now tapos ma-amaze pa rin ako. That's hard. Kasi diba, ang daming pwedeng kumanta, sumayaw, or kung ano mang acts na pati kami na surpresa pwede nilang gawin. Pero parang ang hirap ng performance na tatatak sa'yo and some performance na mag-represent sa Philippines, di ba? So it's really hard. And pangalawa siguro yung uniqueness and then of course talent. We're looking for all kinds of talent, kung ano man yan. And pati kami mga judges nasusurprise na kanya-kanyang talento ng mga Pilipino, lahat ng kalokohan na naging talent. Ang interesting niya panoorin. So every time nandito kami to tape, para kaming, akala ko medyo chill lang siya eh, since nasa studio. Pero it's draining, emotionally, all emotions. Parang lahat ng tao makakausap mo and it's different when you're up there and makikita mo siya ng malapit, yung mga nag-perform. And lastly, siguro I'm looking for parang your passion, just like us artists, diba? Iba siguro, if yes, you have a talent, but it really, parang iba yung nabibigay ng fire within you, your passion. So, nararamdaman namin na if you're just doing it for the sake of winning, for the money, or if you're just doing it para mag-trending, or pinapakita mo yung talent mo because you want to showcase world-class Filipino talent, then that's different. So, for me, a unique talent, then that's a champion. So, I'm looking for those 3 things. That was your question! Okay, so what's the first question? Let's start from there.
What's the bravest thing you've done for yourself recently?
Today. Today, the bravest thing I've done for myself. Jeez. Siguro, I don't know. I'm at the point I'm turning 29 right in a few days. So I'm at the point in my life again wherein I feel so lost. And I felt this. I remember when I parang gave a message for our Thanksgiving party for House of Us. This was the same feeling. I didn't expect na mafe-feel ko ulit to, pero siguro it's part of you know, adulting and growing. And nararamdaman ko siya ngayon, just like everybody else. I don't know kung nararamdaman to talaga kapag medyo ganitong age ka na, but it's hitting me hard. And to be honest, I'm so scared, I'm so lost, but I think it's so brave na every day I show up, just like what Tony said kanina. I show up and I choose to grow and accept all the uncertainties. Because, I don't know, bigla ko lang siyang na-feel na, of course, after Hello Love Again, and now I'm doing PGT, pero may feeling lang ako na parang iba. And I think siguro birthday blues na to, my quarter life crisis, na parang, what's next for me? Parang I'm feeling all these emotions. So feeling ko it's just brave na tinanggap ko yun. I'm allowing myself to be vulnerable. I have my days. And hindi ko na yung tinatago sa mga tao. So now, I think part of me growing is me getting my own place as well. And I think it's like my transition stage. I'd like to call this my transition stage na feeling ko kasi the next coming years is very, very important kasi yun yung magdidictate kung saan ako sa future. It's not na parang, okay, I'm in my early 20s, ito pa, ang dami ko pang time para matuto. Pero ngayon parang iba pala pag magto-29. So I'm feeling that. So feeling ko getting my own place, it's a big adjustment for me, my family, especially my mom. But it's my way of getting to know myself more and growing. So yes, I'm scared. I don't know what will happen. I don't know if I can do it. But I'm just here for it. I'm just very open and I'm here for growth. So wish me luck in the coming months. I'm just accepting and I just want to feel everything right now.
The time we have for the PGT MediaCon. Pero ang good news ay apakalapit na ma-enjoy natin ang Season 7 ng Pilipinas Got Talent, di ba?
Yes, tama ka din, Lorraine. Kaya naman sa ating mga hosts and judges, pakiimbitahan naman po ang ating mga kapamilya, ka-A2Z at kapatid na tutukan na ang pagbabalik ng PGT.
Well, wait! Hindi ko alam kung well ba o well na ito. Pero for this moment of time, kantahan muna natin ang happy birthday si Catherine!
Yes!
Sabay-sabay, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wish! Ayan na nga.
Happy birthday, Kat!
Yes! Happy birthday!
Love you, Kat.
Ayan na nga. Ayan, nakita-kita tayo sa PGT ngayong March 29 and 30. Pilipinas Got Talent Season 7 na po. Ito po ang pagbabalik ng pambansang weekend primetime habit ng pamilyang Pilipino.
Mga kapatid, ka-A to Z, mga...
PGT! PGT!